When you've been using your chairs, your armchair in the living room for quite some time, the seats start getting worn out. Sometimes children may be mischievous, using sharp objects, knife, blade, pen to punch holes on the seats. Here we want to fix that. We want to use a special method to correct that, to renew the armchair in the sitting room. Please follow along as we do that in this video and see this special way that we use to fix that up. So we started cutting the back of the armchair as we turn it to the back. So we remove the clothes at the back for the purpose of using it to cover the front. So here we had to remove the nails, the small nail that were used to hold the upholstery clothes onto the frame, to the wooden frame. It was carefully removed, and then we brought out the upholstery clothes from the back of the two-seater armchair. You can see it now. The back has been fully exposed, as you can see it here. So I cut out the back cover and I brought it to the front. I'm going to use it to cover the front now. You can see it here. You can see. That's what I'm going to use. This reserve for some time before it goes bad again. And we're going to change the entire chair clothes as I said. Now the clothes that was removed from the back is now used now. Isn't fixed into the front, inserted into the hole in between the seat and the backrest, so that I can come out under the armchair, as you can see it right here. Here we carefully nail in the cloth to the wooden frame at the front. That's the first job to be done before turning it upside down to go and nail it inside at the back. Check it out as we do that. Now the cloth that was inserted is being brought out from behind after turning the chair to the back. We are bringing it out so that it can be nailed firmly. So it's being nailed with hammer and small nails into the wooden frame for it to be firmly kept in position. You can see the small nail that will be used here. That is how to fix it finally to its place. So that will be the final part of holding the front seat cover in place, as you can see right here. So we've got another upholstery cloth, another material to use for covering the bag. To cover the bag, to replace the wool material cut away from the bag. You can see it here. So we are putting it in place to cut it in size of the removed clothes. And then we are going to nail everything back into position as the original material that was cut from the bag. Let's see that now. Ready, we have covered it with the other material at the back, and also the downside has been covered. It's ready for use now. So the front remains as it was when it was new, but the back was made with another type of material, this type of material that is here, but the front remains as it was when it was still new. Alright, don't skip any part of this video, follow us to the end. And finally, we were able to fix the double armchair, and then this is what we have. This is the job. Well done. We are going to repeat the same thing for the 3-seater armchair over there, and you will see. Yes, we're going to repeat the same process for the 3-seater here. Right. Finally, we have the renewed armchair, the 3-seater. We have it right here, just like we did for the 2-seater armchair now. So it has been renewed. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell in order to get notified. See you in another video. Bye bye.